Hey guys, it's Victoria. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and today I want to get you all caught up on what's been going on with me over the past year. While I'm chatting, I'll be showing myself making a pin with my Glowforge, and if you're interested in downloading this pin and making it yourself, I'll have it linked below in the description of this video. So life has really changed for me a lot over the past year and a half. And one of the biggest things that happened is I left a long-term relationship. That was obviously a really hard thing to do, but it was for the best. And I ended up moving home to save money for a house. So this has obviously been a huge reset for me, but honestly, it's been a really good thing. And while this transition was happening, I did realize that I needed to make some changes in how I run my business. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I used to create physical products. And I actually ended up hurting my neck during a really busy season. It was actually Christmas of 2020. And I hurt my neck by looking down for really long spans of time without really taking breaks and having bad posture. So this was a huge wake-up call, and I really had to rethink the way that I was doing business because I physically couldn't continue to keep working the way that I was. So I actually decided to pivot into selling Glowforge files only, and I completely shut down my physical product store. And this has been such a positive shift. I actually really love selling digital files. So selling Glowforge files means that all the work is up front. Once I create an initial file, I can keep making money off that file forever, which is amazing because when I make a sale, I don't have to do anything. Another big change is I also created a Patreon account, which has become part of my business model, and it's actually become a significant part of my income. When people sign up, they get access to download all the files that I've ever created for $10 a month. Plus, they get all the files that I create in the future as long as they remain a member. It's just been super rewarding for me. And if you want to check it out, I'll include a link to my Patreon in the description of this video. Another thing that has changed is that I picked up a part-time graphic design job. I really love creating digital files, but it's just not ready to be full-time yet, so I needed more income stability. And the downside is I don't have as much time to make these videos, but I'm really trying to make it a priority again because I really love making these for you guys. On another personal note, I've started figure skating. Getting injured through work has kind of opened my eyes to the fact that there's more to life than just work. And having a hobby that I truly enjoy has just been so refreshing. I go skating about 3 times a week, and I can actually feel myself getting better every single week. And it's just been so nice to have something to strive to get better at. And I honestly feel like I just have so much more balance in my life now. So that's an update of what's been going on with me. There have obviously been a lot of changes, but I feel like they have all been in the right direction, and I'm just so happy with where I am right now. I just want to thank you all for sticking with me, and I will talk to you in the next episode. And if you're interested in my Patreon, I'll have it linked below in the description of this video. Bye!